In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank statements into Zoho Books. This guide is designed to help you navigate the steps smoothly and make the process as straightforward as possible, especially if you're new to using Zoho Books for your accounting needs. First, let's start by getting to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Books URL or search for Zoho Books on Google. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to sign in, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you've already set up an account, simply enter your email and password and proceed. In case you haven't, consider setting up your account first, following the on-screen instructions to get everything in place. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. From here, navigate to the banking section. This is a crucial part of Zoho Books as it allows you to manage your financial data efficiently. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find various modules. Select Banking. Upon clicking it, you'll see options related to bank accounts you may have already added. Look for the option that says Connect Bank on Credit Card. Clicking this will open up a new interface where you can link your bank details. Now, while automated bank feeds are a great feature, there might be times when you need to import bank statements manually. For instance, when your bank isn't supported for direct connections, or if your automated feed encounters connectivity issues. In such cases, this manual method is your best friend. At this stage, Zoho Books will prompt you to either download a template for your bank statement or drag and drop your existing bank statement file. Ensure your bank statement is formatted correctly, typically in CSV or Excel format. Double check that it contains the relevant columns like date, description, and amount. This will help Zoho Books categorize your transactions correctly. Once your file is ready, upload it to Zoho Books by selecting the appropriate option on the screen. The system will guide you through mapping each column from your file to the relevant fields within Zoho Books. Be meticulous during this step to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. Confirm the import by following any on-screen prompts, and there you have it. You've successfully manually imported your bank statement into Zoho Books. Make a habit of reviewing the imported transactions to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions simple to follow and that they empower you to manage your finances more effectively with Zoho Books. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and as always, happy bookkeeping.